Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Ashmary lace frontal wig right here. The hair is actually 24 inches long and it's brownish red in color. This is exactly what the hair looks like straight out of the box, and the hair actually came with loads of amazing goodies as well. You get your elastic band and eyelashes, a wig cap and baby hair comb, and look at that. The whole pattern of the wave pattern of the hair straight out of the box is amazing. Look at that. I love the wave pattern of the hair. It's so gorgeous. And the color of the hair, guys, the color is exactly the same way as it is on their website, and I'm really impressed with the quality of the hair. I'm going to show you guys how I install the hair using just spray, and the hair comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, meaning you can actually install this hair without any glue or gel. But for today's look I decided to go for spray, so that's the only thing I'm going to use to install this hair. The installation is very straightforward, as you can tell. It's self-explanatory as well. All I'm doing here is cutting off the excess lace on the hair tab, and then so much like measuring the lace to my hair, you know, from side A to side B, if that makes sense. So all I did was just apply the spray beneath the lace or my hairline, and then place the lace exactly where I applied the spray, and then press it down for it to lay flat on the wig, sorry, on the on the spray. Then apply the lace again to further melt the hair by applying the elastic band that came straight with the packaging. That's all for this installation. And the next thing I'm going to be doing, look at that, look at that, please say, show me the lace. It melted into my skin effortlessly, and then I cut off the excess lace, and then voila, we are good to go. Very simple, easy, beginner friendly application. And then I use my foundation, not foundation as such, my beauty sponge with the remainder of my foundation to further blend the hair in, spray again, and then melt it again with the elastic band. And that was it, guys. Melted, like melted. I didn't actually tie it anyway. I just pressed it down for like 5 seconds. I like doing this, but I don't show it on my videos most of the time. But I like doing this if I really want it to melt. Look at that. Where's the laces? Please show me the lace. This is my natural hair. There's nothing you can say about this. It's definitely my natural hair. I'm joking, guys. I really love the lace of the wig. It's very easy to work with, very soft, and you know, I love it. And all I did now is just use my Kerry Care stick to melt the hair down with what's that thing called again? Ooh, hot comb. I'm all over the place, don't mind me. I'm just excited about this hair, really. I'm still wearing the hair as I speak, and I am loving it. I got a lot of compliment in regards to this hair color. I am impressed about how many people stopped me wearing this wig. Oh my god, I love your hair. Oh my god, I love your hair. And I've been wearing the hair for days now, like I'm going to almost a week. But yeah, I love it. I love the hair. Very soft and silky to touch, and I love the fact that the color was exactly the same as it was on their website as well. Bear in mind that you can actually style this hair anyhow you like, because it's 13x6 lace frontal wig. So I decided to curl the hair for you guys. Obviously, as you know, we would always test how well the hair took to curls, and I am very impressed with how well the hair took to curls. As you guys can tell, I only curled the hair for like few seconds and the curls were popping. I held it for like 6 seconds or 10 seconds, but the curls were popping, like popping. If you want a tighter curls, guys, you can actually go for a wand curl, but I don't really want to go for that look. But I decided to go for like a body wave type of look, which I am loving. The curls are still popping as I speak with you guys, despite the fact that it's been days. Like seriously, the quality of this hair is just amazing. I'm curling the hair away from my face, from side to side, just to give me that gorgeous, simple, you know, beachy wave type of look, if that makes sense. And yeah, that is it for today's look. Very easy, very straightforward, very beginner friendly, and I am a huge fan of Ashmary hair. If you guys don't know them, please feel free to check out the description box below. You definitely find details more about their hair, and I can guarantee you that if you check out their website, you will definitely find something for you and your loved ones, especially now that Christmas is going now. They're having amazing sales, so if you check out their website, you will be, you know, amazed, and you'll be rest assured that you're getting quality hair. Guys, look at the hairline of this hair. Like, you can't tell me otherwise. This is my hair, guys. This is my hair. Look at the hairline, melted, like super melted. So I use the, you know, blow dryer comb to comb the wave, you know, to give me that body wave pattern, which I am loving right now. Look at that, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, so stunning. And yeah, look at that. I was actually feeling myself. No tangling, no shedding, no nasty smell whatsoever, and the hair is also definitely true to length. And I decided to give you guys a bit more, you know, spice. I hope you like this style today, because I loved it. I really loved it, because it framed my face really well, and I look like I'm 10-year-old. Joking. Yeah, I love it. Look at that. You can actually style it just like your own natural hair. Very versatile, and very, you know, soft and easy to work with. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Please don't forget to check out Ashmary website for more details, and check my description box for any code. Or yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you in my next one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's all about this Ashmary lace frontal wig right here. Guys, I am feeling myself. Look at that. The hair is actually giving me life. Like, seriously, the color is giving gorgeousness. The color is giving everything it's supposed to give. Look at how gorgeous the hair is. Very soft, and the installation is also beginner friendly. No glue, no gel, nothing at all. And the lace melted into my skin effortlessly. Like, see, show me the lace. Where is the lace? Like, please just show me the lace. The lace melted effortlessly into my skin. I really love how soft the hair feels, and the texture of the hair, the volume of the hair, and the length of the hair. Everything is just screaming perfection. Like, I love this. I really love this, and I can't stop touching the hair. So if you guys don't know Ashmary hair, they are a hair brand that sells all types of lace wig on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have all types of hair color, lengths and styles on their website. If you check out their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. So far so good. I love this hair, and I love the fact that everything about this hair just tick every boxes that I would have loved in a colored hair. Like, seriously, look at that. I'm really impressed with the lace of this wig, guys, and I love the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight out of the box, so you don't have to do anything at all. All you have to do is, you know, cut your lace, spray, apply your hairspray, and you would be good to go. In actual fact, you don't have to do anything at all. The pose of the hair straight out of the box is absolutely stunning. Like, absolutely stunning. As you guys can tell, the hair is definitely true to length. It's actually 24 inches, but in my opinion it looks more like 26 inches. It's definitely true to length and more, and the texture of the hair is just amazing. Look at that. Despite the fact that the hair is colored, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. I love how voluminous the hair is, and yet the texture of the hair is gorgeous. Look at that. I am feeling myself. I would definitely be rocking this hair throughout this holiday period. I really recommend this hair, absolutely. I would definitely recommend this hair because in terms of the color of the hair, it's definitely a plus for me because it's exactly the way it looks on their website. You are definitely getting what you paid for, and in terms of the texture of the hair, is definitely a plus for me. The quality of the hair is amazing, and I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. And in terms of their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 5 days to get in the UK, which for me is really amazing. And another thing I love about the hair is the fact that the lace of the hair is super duper soft and very easy to work with, so you have nothing to worry about. You can definitely use your spray, gel, glue, or anything at all to install this hair, which is really amazing. And yeah, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Ashmary hair. They have loads of amazing hair on their website that you will be confused as to which one to go for. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.